A factory puts 2/3 of a gallon of vinegar into each batch of salad dressing. How many gallons of vinegar will be used in 23 batches? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 2/3 times 23. Now, whenever you multiply a fraction to a whole number, you multiply that whole number to the numerator only. And there's nothing wrong if you need to go off to the side and find out what 23 times 2 is. There's nothing wrong with doing that. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 times 23 is 46. And we get 46 over 3. Now, the numerator here is much bigger than the denominator, so we know we get a mixed number. How do we turn an improper fraction into a mixed number? Long division. So we're going to see how many times 3 goes into 46. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Drop down to 6. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract our numbers. 16 minus 15 is 1. With no more numbers to drop down, that 1 becomes our remainder. So in order to turn this into a mixed number, the quotient of 15 becomes our whole number that lives out in front. The remainder of 1 becomes our numerator, and our old denominator of 3 is still denominator 3. Now, this is a word problem, and they're asking how many gallons of vinegar will be used for 23 batches. So we will say 15 1/3 gallons. And that is our answer.